Mag-pray muna ate. Ikaw mag-pray.
I-post mo muna. I-post.
Mag-pray muna.
Mag-pray na lang siya.
Post mo muna lagi. Sige na, mag-pray mo
Mag-pray na.
na. Meet mo na.
In the Father, the Son, and Holy Spirit. Dear God, thank you for all of this food, especially my mom and dad preparing this and paying for this.
Thank you for the celebration.
Papa,
Tingin Tito Char, Bonso. Ay, dilim ng mukha, no?